How you can fix iPhone screen not rotating problem. So this is very common problem on your iPhone. All you need to do is to just check if in your control center this little feature is turned off. As you can see, this is the portrait orientation lock. So right now it's turned off on my iPhone. If I want to, for example, rotate my screen, it's not moving. If I turn it off here, it's gonna rotate. As you can see, it's rotating. So check your control center if this feature is turned off. If you don't have it here, you can press and hold the empty space, add a control, and we want to find that rotation feature. You can find it under display and brightness area, and here is the orientation lock. So grab it and move it to your control center. I'm gonna make it bigger. You can do it also. And that's basically how you can fix this rotation problem. If it's not still working, try to restart your iPhone and it should work. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.